Yeah, the thumbnail statement is 100%. No one gives about you. And I know you are hurt a little bit now, you are offended because that stings a little bit. But if you actually get this into your thick head, your whole YouTube journey of making videos and posting your content out there will get way easier. My name is Irfan and I have built my channel Rookie Handyman to 6 million views by giving people exactly what they came for and by giving it to them as fast as possible. So let me show you how you can do the exact same thing. And when I say that nobody cares about you, I don't mean that nobody likes you or respects you. You probably have some people in your life that kind of likes you and respects you. At least, I hope you do. What I mean is that when someone clicks on your video, they are thinking only about themselves. They don't think about your life. They don't think about your story, your journey. They don't care. They're just thinking about how can this help me? How can this save my time? How can this solve my problem? Can this video make my day better? And you probably forgot my name by now, right? Exactly, because you don't care, and that's perfectly fine. The biggest mistake creators make is that they make videos about themselves, their workout routine, their morning routine, the gear that they use, their thoughts in their heads, whatever. When you have 500k subscribers, sure, talk about yourself because then you have a huge fan base. But when you only have 50 subs, nobody cares, and they shouldn't care because they don't know anything about you yet. Your job is very simple. Make people feel better. Make people see something differently. Make something complicated feel simple. Solve a problem someone has today. If you do any of these things, people will show up and people will watch your content. When I started making videos on my Rookie Handyman channel, nobody clicked because they wanted to see me. Nobody was thinking, oh, I hope this Bosnian dude will be able to fix his toilet today. Pfft, come on, nobody thought that. Because people had one huge problem. My toilet doesn't stop running. How the am I gonna fix this problem right now, this huge problem that I'm having today? And there was my video titled How to Fix a Running Toilet. My viewer is always a hero in my videos because they do all the freaking job, they do all the freaking process by themselves. I'm just an instrument and I'm just showing them the best way to do it. And that's how you should be thinking about your viewers. Stop asking yourself, what video do I want to make today? No, ask yourself, what video does my viewer desperately needs today? What is the problem my viewer is thinking about? How can I serve my people today? 5 simple steps to put this into practice. Number 1, start with a problem in mind. Just think, what's something that my ideal viewer is stuck on today? Number 2, make your title a promise. Don't do any of this clickbaity shit with your title. Clearly state a promise that you actually can deliver on. Number 3, make the first 10 seconds of your video about them, not about you. Just like in this video, nobody gives a about you. You need to learn how to make good videos in order for people to watch you. Now, right there, I didn't mention anything about me. It's all about you. Number 4, give them simple, actionable solutions. Don't make things too complex when they don't need to be. Simplify everything so your viewer feels it's easy to implement. Just like here, 5 simple steps to have a great video for your people. And number 5, end your video with some kind of clarity. People should be thinking, damn, this was so helpful. I want to learn more from this person. And the ironic part is when you start putting people first and when you start helping them, people actually start caring about you because you are helping them win. You are making their life easier, and that's when your story finally matters. And if you want to learn more, I highly recommend checking out Creators Forge community. It's a place where YouTube creators share ideas, get feedback on their videos, and just grow together. We also have a classroom full of YouTube material, coaching calls, workshops, upcoming challenges, leaderboards, and much more. So if you feel lonely on your YouTube journey, join the Forge and let's forge your channel together. Take care of your viewers and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!